Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app, you should just go to settings. After that you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will enter to Google Classroom. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again, and after that you can turn off your phone. You can wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.